Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, Alma, what are you doing in your bedroom? I know guys, but sometimes I just get tired of filming in my filming space, my office, my studio, and sometimes I like to switch things up a little bit. So I'm literally sitting on my bed to film this episode of What's New with Alma. If it's your first time here and you don't know what I am talking about, I have a couple of episodes of the What's New series where I talk about every other person's life apart from mine, all right? And I would leave a playlist up here just in case you've missed it and you want to catch up on all we've been gisting about in the last couple of months. I'll keep that playlist up here for you, okay? Now, as always, we have quite a bit to talk about, so let's get right into this. All right, so first up, let's talk about some sad news. Well, a couple of sad news that has filtered in recent week. Firstly, the Nigerian YouTube space is mourning the loss of a YouTuber known as Ebo Media. And before this news broke, to be honest, I hadn't heard of him before he passed. And it's just really heartbreaking. But I did my research and I realized that this guy is very similar to Tayo Aino, Tayo's style of videos. The only difference is that, he was doing videos in more local parts of Nigeria. He was going to states like Benue, Enugu, and all of that. Now it's so sad because I think somebody uploaded a video on his channel talking about how he passed away and all of that, and this guy had gone to Benue. I think he had gone to Benue State to film content and all of that, and he was on his way back. The car he was in was ambushed by kidnappers. Apparently his friend was kidnapped, and while the kidnappers were making away with his friend, he was shot and died instantly. And it still boils down, guys, it still boils down to how insecure Nigeria has become. Like, the insecurity is on a high, on such a high that it's almost as if you're leaving your house. It's only the grace of God that is bringing you back home safe and sound. I was completely heartbroken when I saw this on YouTube, and this happened, I think it's more than 2 weeks now that he passed, and it's so heartbreaking because this was somebody who was snatched at his prime. Like, he was doing so much. He was an active content creator here on YouTube. He was doing a lot. He was putting so much work into creating content, traveling here, traveling there, and to have his life taken away from him like this is just beyond repulsing. I really don't know if there's anything being done about this. I don't even know if anybody is searching for the killers, or anybody is, I don't even know at this point. Has his friend been found? Have the kidnappers released his friend? Has his friend been found? Like, what are the steps that are being taken to find the killers of this guy? Because it would be really sad if at the end of the day this is one of those deaths that would go unpunished or would not have justice. It would be really sad. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this. In case I'm not up to speed, let me know if anything is being done, if anybody has been arrested for his death or anything like that. Let me know in the comment section below. But this is extremely sad. I pray that his soul rests in peace. I mean, this is really heartbreaking, and especially for his family, his friends. Also, on to more sad news. Takeoff, one part of the trio of the Migos family. The group Migos is composed of Quavo, Offset, and Takeoff. And the same day, I think it was the same day that Davido lost his son, Takeoff lost his life in a very, that is, guys, in an extremely avoidable manner. I hear that himself and Quavo were out, at night, with friends, hanging out and stuff. The long and short of everything is that Takeoff was killed by a bullet over a dice game, guys. Over a dice game, like a game of dice. I'm not sure what happened. There was a disagreement, and then before you know what's happening, there was exchange of words, and before you know what was happening, bah, in the air, and Takeoff got hit and he passed. I cannot really understand how and why the gun laws in America are the way they are. How every Tom, Dick, and Harry, everybody, in fact anybody, is allowed to own a gun. I don't know, because I would think that with everything that's been happening in America, with the number of school shootings that happen every other month in America, children losing their lives to gun violence, I would have thought that by now something would have been done to regulate how people are able to own guns in the US. But I'm not sure what's going on, because as far as I know and as far as I'm concerned, nothing concrete is being done. I spoke to somebody about this and the person told me that it's not that easy because this is rooted deep in the constitution, so it is not as easy as it seems. And it's just completely mind-blowing. You would think that with the loss of life, with the constant daily loss of life to gun violence, something drastic would be done, but nothing is really being done, guys. And now somebody else has lost his life to yet another round of gun violence. It beats me, and I really, guys, like, it is, I don't know if anything would ever be done with regards to gun violence in America. I really don't know. May Takeoff's soul rest in peace. He was only 28 years old, guys. He was just 28. Guys, it's a lot. Like, it is a lot. And then moving on to still more sad news, and an update on the loss of Davido's son Ifeanyi. Autopsy reports have showed that Ifeanyi actually passed away from drowning, like it was being speculated and all of that. A lot of people were saying maybe there was foul play. A lot of people were saying, oh, maybe somebody did something to him and then he was thrown into the pool and all of that. But autopsy reports have shown that indeed he passed away from drowning. Whether it was accidental or whether it was forced drowning, nobody knows. But the fact remains that, he actually passed away from drowning. Up till now, Davido and Chioma have not come out to say anything as expected, because this is the loss of a child. Is, you guys, look, nobody should have to go through this. So if for the rest of the year and many months after, Davido and Chioma do not come out to say anything, I would not blame them for it. Okay, let's all just keeping them in our prayers and praying for the repose of the soul of Ifeanyi, and for God to just comfort his family, because this is massive, guys. This is massive. All right, so let's leave all of the sad news behind a little bit, and let's talk about the fact that people are relocating out of Nigeria now more than ever. And it beats me because I'm just like, wait, hold up, what is going on? Every single day I wake up from my bed, it's like, this person has jackpot, that person has jackpot, this person is relocating, that person is relocating. What is happening? What is going on? Did they ring a bell somewhere and say, oh yeah, getting everybody now start relocating, everybody one by one, each by each? Because I feel like this year has recorded the most migrations out of Nigeria into other parts of the world, most popularly the UK. Like, it's almost as if the UK, all of a sudden everybody's like, oh my god, the UK, other parts of Europe, Canada. It seems as if Nigerians are not taking it lightly anymore with anybody, because it seems as if everybody is leaving every other day. Heck, it seems as if it's only me and my family that's in Nigeria at this point. But what is going on, guys? What's happening? I know that the country, see this country, let's not even get into Nigeria and all our wahala, but I feel like, oh my goodness, relocation. I open my YouTube and more than 95% of the content that is being recommended to me on YouTube is Nigerians who are relocating, doing relocation videos, doing Japan videos. I'm just like, what is going on, guys? Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about the new Japa trend going on right now in the country. Let me also know in the comments if you plan on Japaing as well. Let's talk about it in the comment section below, because at this point I need to understand if it's only me and my own family that are still here in Nigeria. I need to understand what's going on. All right, now, so moving on, the world's richest man, Elon Musk, is coming for our throats. Okay, that man is coming for everybody. He is coming for your throat, your jugular, your everything, your esophagus. He's coming for everything. Okay, let me explain. So recently, Elon Musk bought off popular social media app Twitter. I know, guys, I know, like, who does that? Only Elon Musk, okay? But yes, guys, Elon Musk bought over Twitter a couple of weeks ago for a record-breaking amount of $44 billion. $44 billion. Not naira, not naira. Dollars, okay? $44 billion. That's a lot. That is, how much does that man have? How much does that man have that he used $44 billion to buy one app? How much does he have? He has come out to say that he didn't buy Twitter to make more money. Elon, really? Are you sure? You're a businessman, no? You're a businessman. Are you sure you don't want to make some more money? But anyway, he says that he didn't buy Twitter to make more money. He bought Twitter to help humanity, to save humanity. Well, only Elon knows what that means. We have to wait and see exactly what he means by that. But the recent purchase of Twitter by Elon Musk has come with a lot of drama. A whole lot of drama. Elon has sacked over 50% of Twitter's workforce. Yes, you heard that right. Over 50% of the people who work for Twitter have been relieved of their jobs, okay, without warning. And according to him, he sees nothing wrong with that because he has paid them double of what the law says people should be paid as severance payments. In other words, he's justifying the fact that he laid off how many people from their jobs without warning, because he's arguing that, hey, I paid them double what I should have paid them as severance pay. So it's all right. It's okay. This man is giving me Donald Trump Pro Max. Like, he's giving me brutal. He's giving me, look, I don't care about your feelings. This is business. Like, that's what he's giving me right about now. He has also announced that all of those people, those celebrities, all those big people that have that blue verification badge on their Twitter, from now onwards, will be paying the sum of $8 every month to keep that badge up on their profiles. Elon said that he didn't want to make money, but that is one money-making scheme right there. Imagine that you are verified on Twitter, and to keep or remain verified, you have to keep paying the amount of $8 every month. It's crazy, but Elon is Elon. Elon is doing what he does best. Elon is a businessman before anything. For him, this is not a charity organization, this is business, and that is completely understandable. Let me know in the comment section what you think about Elon Musk's new antics and this whole Twitter drama. Let me know in the comments and let's discuss. As always, let's come back home a little bit. Let's come back home to Nigeria again. All right, now it has been announced by the CBN that the naira notes are going to be redesigned. Yes, you heard that right. The naira notes, our currency, what we spend as money here in Nigeria, is about to get redesigned. And from what I hear, these new designs are going to be going into circulation coming December. Now, with the advent of this news, a lot has been going on in the country. A lot has been going on in the country, guys, because all of a sudden, people who have been hoarding monies up and down the whole place are now bringing out these monies to spend, because by December, it's going to be useless anyways. It's going to be completely useless by December. So people who have been hoarding money, laundering money, storing money in big stores and containers and rooms and all of that, now their bum is opening because they want to bring out these monies and spend and do away with them before the new designs come in. Guys, I have seen videos, I have seen pictures of monies meant for the benefit of the Nigerian masses, meant for payment of salaries, meant for so much that one person carried and went to go and hoard in a store or in a container somewhere. I even saw a picture of 1,000 naira notes that somebody has been storing so much money. I think it filled like a whole room, and these monies were being wrapped in Oceanic Bank wrappers. And if you don't know, Oceanic Bank was bought over 13 years ago by EcoBank. Listen to me again. Oceanic Bank was bought over by EcoBank 13 years ago, yet somebody still has money wrapped in Oceanic Bank. See, guys, we are our own problem in this country. At the end of the day, we are our own problem in this country. So imagine the kind of absolute wickedness to have money stored in for the past, God knows, maybe even more than 15 years at this point without being spent. The greed is outrageous. There was another video I saw of a guy, showing off bundles and bundles and bundles of 200 naira notes. I think he was being paid for a job or something, but he was, paid in cash. And these bundles of notes, you guys know that in Nigeria, our naira notes have like the dates that they were printed and minted and all of that. These notes were printed in 2003. 2004. Guys, we are in 2022. Under normal circumstance, those notes should have been old, dirty, torn, not even in circulation anymore at this point. But notes, brand new, mint notes, 2003, 2004 or more. Guys, it's crazy what is going on. But I feel like this is the one thing that I would say Nigeria is doing well in, because the CBN's announcement is now making people who have stolen money and are holding on to money to now bring out money and give to the rightful owners. And we hope and we pray that before December, all of this money gets to the rightful owners, because it is it's crazy, guys. It is crazy. Okay, let us wrap up today's What's New with Alma episode with a little bit of fashion police. Okay, I know you guys have been asking me for this. Oh, Alma, please do fashion police. Oh, please start doing fashion roast. Oh, please start doing. And I'm like, wait, calm down. I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. Now, I am not going to be doing like fashion police, like dedicating a whole video to talk about, you know, people's outfits and, you know, roasting people and all of that. I won't be doing that, but maybe in one or two What's New episodes here towards the end of the video, if there was a big event during the week and celebrities came out to show off and show out, maybe, just maybe, I might do a little fashion roast, fashion police segment towards the end of that What's New episode. So that's a new update for you guys. All right, now for this particular video, let's talk about what people wore to the Black Panther Wakanda Forever movie premiere that held in Lagos a few days ago. And for the record, I'm not going to be calling like 20 people are talking about their outfits. Hell to the freaking no. I'm going to be talking about the most talked about looks, okay? So it could be like the most talked about, the 5 most talked about looks, or the 10 most talked about looks, whether they were best dressed or worst dressed, all right? So let's get right into it. Let's talk about Alison. Alison of the just concluded BB Niger season. Oh my goodness, I absolutely loved Alison's look to this premiere. Like, she was looking like a proper Wakandan warrior, if that's the word. I'm not sure what the word is, but she was looking like a proper Wakanda warrior. I loved her outfit from head to toe. She came to represent. From my research, I found out that this premiere actually had a theme. The theme was Afro-futuristic, okay? And I think Alison embodied the Wakandan warrior look, from her bald head with the art on her head to the outfit, everything. And oh my goodness, she has the body to pull it off. Like, she has the body to pull off an outfit like that, and she looked absolutely amazing. I loved it. It was, if not one of my favorite looks of the night, okay? I feel like she was right on theme, spot on theme, and she definitely looked like she stepped out of that movie, and I loved that. I absolutely loved that. Moving on to the second most talked about look, Groovy, also from the just concluded BB Niger season. Groovy came dressed in a red cape Superman outfits with gold embroidery, pink hair, gold mask on the eyes. And when I saw this video and pictures of Groovy, I'm like, who styled him, best and foremost? Because I feel like Groovy looked like a combination of, there's a superhero we used to watch as kids. I used to wear like a green outfit and have like a black eye mask on. I'm not sure of the name right now, but he looks like a mumbo jumbo of Ninja Turtle and Ikorodu Superman mixed with something else, because that outfit, I'm not even sure how he wore that outfit, looked in the mirror and thought it was okay to go to the Wakanda Forever premiere looking like that. I didn't like that outfit at all. The fact that he even has his pink hair clashing with the red and the gold, I don't know, guys, because that Groovy's outfit, or more, it gave me headache. It gave me headache that night. I'm just like, I can't do this. I can't do this. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about Groovy's outfit? It was one of the most talked about outfits because it was not just it at all. Oh my goodness, it wasn't just it at all. Groovy, what happened? What happened now? What in the Ikorodu Superman is going on here? What happened? Next up, Hermes, also from the just concluded BB Niger season. Look, your BB Niger people are coming out to show us, okay? It is their time to shine. So they are coming out to show us what they've got. But my guy Hermes came out in an ensemble that I actually liked from the front. I loved that outfit from the front. I felt like it was spot on theme. It was Afro-futuristic. It was giving Wakanda and all of that. But the back of that cape, I could not understand what was happening there. It was more like giving a tribute to the late Black Panther star Chadwick Boseman. But guys, take a look at this video. Just take a look at this video.
Hermes is paying tribute to Chad Boswick, Black Panther, Wakanda Forever, R.I.P. Chad Boswick. Yeah.
Okay, so that was Tiana's voice, Toyin Lawani of Tiana Empire. You guys know her for her outrageous outfits on red carpet events and how she styles celebrities in the most outrageous outfits. But how is it, can somebody explain to me how Tiana and her team are calling Chadwick Boseman Chad Boswick? Because It is the most absolute ridiculous thing I have ever seen in my entire life. What in God's name is Chad Boswick? How could you not have done your research to know that such a star, his name was Chadwick Boseman, not Chad Boswick? What's happening? Then you now went ahead and you imprinted it on a cape, and Hermes was flying that cape throughout that event. Hi, God. I'm sure the foreign movie stars who were present at that premiere and saw Hermes flying that thing. What is Chad Boswick? And in that video, she was saying, oh, Hermes is giving tribute to Chad Boswick. I'm like, auntie, close your mouths. Hey, God. What kind of an error was that? So I feel like with that, Hermes' outfit was not giving any more, because from the front, you are liking the look, but from the back, what kind of mistake is that? Like, what the heck is going on? Moving on, Prince from one of the seasons of Big Brother came to represent. I loved what Prince was wearing. Prince was looking absolutely spot on theme. Like, that guy was looking like one warrior chief king personality from Black Panther. Like, from one correct, that is, he was looking good. I love the thought that went into that outfit. You could tell that a lot of thought and creativity went into that outfit, and that's what I really appreciate the most about it. He was looking good. That outfit gave him some sort of, you know, structure and balance. Like, I loved it so much. He was looking good. It was just giving Wakanda. Like, it was giving the freaking entire movie in one outfit. I loved it. The staff he was holding, the entire outfit, sandals on his feet, his hairstyle, the marking on his face with the white paint, like almost like a lion, you know, rubbed that white thing with its claws. Like, it was just so artistic, and I loved it. The next most talked about look was what Liquor Rose wore to the premiere. Liquor Rose is also from the BB Niger alumni. She was in the last season, or the previous season, and a lot of mixed reviews on what Liquor Rose was wearing. Will it be weird if I say I liked what she wore? Because I actually liked it, guys. I liked the outfit. Again, creativity. I feel like it was creative. You know, having the lion's face right in the middle, and then the lion's mane was made with feathers and all of that. One thing is that I appreciate when you put thought into an outfit. I appreciate creativity. I appreciate effort. And you could tell that effort went into that outfit, okay? A lot of effort went into it. So I would definitely give it to her for effort. Like, I loved the whole effort behind the outfit. I love that she paired gold accessories with the outfit, because the outfit had mostly like brown hues. Only thing I would fault though was her makeup. I feel like her makeup was not sitting on her face as it should have. I felt like there was a clear demarcation between her makeup and the rest of her body. You know, her makeup, her face had a different color, and her neck downwards had a different color. That's literally the only thing I would fault about her look. But aside that, I feel like she looked good. I feel like she was spot on theme. Everyone knows that the lion is one of Africa's like biggest symbols, and she embodied that. So I can't fault her for that, and I feel like she looked good and she carried the outfit well, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think, but that's my own opinion. All right, so for me, I feel like those are like the top 5 most talked about outfits at the Wakanda Forever premiere. I saw other outfits as well that I really loved. I love what Nengi wore. Oh my goodness, Nengi looks amazing. I saw a video of her outfit. She looks amazing. Again, creativity, thought, effort. I loved it. She looked amazing from head to toe. The hairstyle, the beading, everything looked spot on. And of course, she's a fine girl, okay, and she carried that outfit amazingly well. I absolutely loved it. All right, guys, so with that, we have come to the end of today's episode of the What's New with Alma series. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section as always down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share this video. I'll see you guys in my next one very soon. Mwah. Bye.
Baby girl, don't need to flex.